In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage and edit saved marketing email templates in HubSpot so you can streamline your campaigns, stay consistent with branding, and save a huge amount of time. If you're sending recurring newsletters, promotional emails, or automated campaigns, knowing how to properly edit and update your templates is essential. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to access your email area, choose the right template, customize it to fit your needs, and save everything correctly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Marketing. From the drop-down menu, select Email. This is where all of your marketing emails live, including drafts, sent emails, and saved templates. Inside this section, you'll be able to manage existing emails or create new ones using previously saved layouts. This is your main control center for email marketing inside HubSpot. Next, click on Create Email. You'll usually find this button in the top right corner. HubSpot will then ask you what type of email you want to create. For this tutorial, choose Regular, since we're working with standard marketing emails rather than automated workflows. Clicking Regular will take you to the template selection screen where you can access your saved templates and HubSpot's built-in designs. Now you'll see several template options. To manage and edit a saved marketing template efficiently, choose a drag and drop template. These templates are the easiest to customize because they allow you to visually edit sections without touching any code. You can either select one of HubSpot's default templates or navigate to your saved templates if you've created custom ones before. Once you select the template you want to work with, click Use Template to open the editor. After the template loads, you can begin editing it according to your needs. This is where you can update your email subject line, preview text, logo, images, buttons, links, and body content. Simply click on any section of the email to modify it. On the left-hand side, you'll see editing options for layout, styling, and content modules. You can drag new elements like text blocks, images, call to action buttons, dividers, or social icons directly into the email layout. If you're updating a saved template for future campaigns, make sure your branding elements like colors, fonts, and footer information are consistent. You can also personalize your email by adding contact tokens, such as the recipient's first name, to increase engagement. Take your time reviewing each section carefully so everything looks clean and professional. Once you've finished editing, it's very important to save your changes properly. In the top right corner, click Save. If you're updating an existing template structure for reuse, make sure the changes are applied so the next time you select this template, your updates are already in place. After saving, you can either proceed to set up recipients and scheduling, or exit if your goal was simply to manage and update the template itself. Always double-check your formatting using the preview option to see how your email will appear on desktop and mobile devices. And that's it. That's how you manage and edit saved marketing email templates in HubSpot step by step. Once you get comfortable with this process, you'll be able to update campaigns much faster and keep your marketing consistent across every send. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot and digital marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.